Hello, TK students. It's Mrs. Balatash in the Science Lab, and today we are going to talk about leaves and specifically the shape of leaves. Now, I cut out some green construction paper shapes that we're going to look at today. So this shape is a spear shape. This is a line, triangle, oval, paddle. That kind of looks like a tennis racket, right? Like a paddle and a heart. So what we're going to do is that now I'm going to open up all of the leaves that I had collected and that I pressed in the magazine, right? Now we're going to look at them and compare them to the shapes on the board. So I think I'm going to start with the really easy one first. So these are some pine needles, and I'd say it's definitely a line, right? That's what the shape of this one is. Okay, now I'm going to try this one, this shape. Let's see. Does it look like a triangle? No. Does it look like a line? Well, it is kind of long and skinny, but I think that there's more detail than just a line. Does it look like a heart? No. Does it look like a paddle? No. Does it look like an oval? Well, it does kind of look like an oval, but it's kind of pointy at the end. So I think it looks like a spear. All right, here's another one. Boys and girls, when I put this one in my magazine to press it, it got folded over, and I'm afraid that if I unfold it, it's going to get broken. So let's take a look. Does this look like a spear? I don't think so. Does this look like a line? No, I don't think so. Does this look like a triangle? Well, I guess it could be kind of a triangle, but I think it looks more like a heart. So if this was out and not folded over, it would look like a big heart. Okay, let's try one more. One more that might be a little tricky, Okay, let's take a look at this one. Does this look like a spear? No. Does this look like a line? No. No. Does it kind of look like a triangle? Does it look like an oval? No. Does it look like a paddle? No. I'm wondering which of these it looks like. Does it kind of look like a heart? Kind of. Does it kind of look like a triangle? Kind of. I think this is kind of between a heart and a triangle. All right, so now boys and girls, I want you to do some sorting and matching. In your science kit, you have 2 pieces of paper. One like that, and the second one. And what you're going to do is that you're going to find a leaf and you're going to try to match it. Is it a line? No. Is it a triangle? No. Is it a paddle? No. Is it a heart? No. Is it an oval? It's kind of like an oval, but I think it is more like a spear. So boys and girls, I would like you to get the leaves that you've had, that you collected, and sort them using your sorting mats. All right, students, this is Mrs. Balatash, and I want to teach you this fun song I have about the parts of a tree. So I like to sing songs, and it helps me remember things. And you guys know the song, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. You know that song, right? It's super fun. I took that tune and I changed the words a little bit. So now it's about the parts of a tree. So listen, and then I want you to join me. It goes like this. Roots, stem, and leaves, and leaves. Roots, stem, and leaves, and leaves. Roots drink up water. Stem stands up tall. Leaves make food for them all, for them all. Okay, so let's review it. Roots, stem, leaves. Roots, stem, leaves. Roots, what do they do? Drink up water. Stem stands up tall. Leaves make food for them all. So now let's sing it together. I know that you guys are going to probably have to be muted on your end, but listen to me sing it and you can sing along at home without your mute button on, okay? All right, here we go. It goes like this. Roots, stem, and leaves and leaves. Roots, stem, and leaves and leaves. Roots drink up water, stem stands up tall. Leaves make food for them all, for them all. I love that song. Will you sing it with me again? Let's go. Roots, stem, and leaves and leaves. Roots, stem, and leaves and leaves. Roots drink up water, stem stands up tall. Leaves make food for them all, for them all. Oh, thanks for singing that song with me. So boys and girls, will you please get out your science journal? And we're going to go to the page that says, what shapes are leaves? And I'm going to put my name at the top. Make sure you put your name at the top. And boys and girls, I'm going to pick one of my leaves. I'm going to pick this one. And I'm going to actually tape it into my notebook in a minute. But first I want to say, what shape do you think this leaf is? Well, it could be a triangle, right? Kind of looks like a triangle. It could also be a heart, right? So I think I'm going to say it's a triangle shape. So I'm going to tape it into my notebook, and I'm also going to draw a triangle so that you can see that my leaf is a triangle shape. I'm going to tape my leaf down. And if you like, you can write the word triangle. And I'm going to write it in my notebook. But you don't have to. It's up to you. Triangle. And then I can color my triangle if I would like. I have a green crayon. Because my leaf is green, I think I'm going to color my triangle green. All right. Boys and girls, I had a fun time talking to you about leaves. We're going to continue talking about leaves and trees for a few more weeks. See you next time, Cougars.